Okay, hello everyone. This is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thanks so much for joining me today. So hopefully people will start to pop in. So as promised, today we are going to unbox the August 2018 paper pumpkin kit. This is the Blissful Blooms kit. Hey Letitia. Hey, glad you're here. So this is the Blissful Blooms kit. We're gonna unbox this today, and then we will stamp one of each project included in the kit. So if you have your kit, feel free to take it out and stamp along with me. So I'm excited to do this live, and hopefully this is something that I can do on my page live every single month with you guys. So I think that'll be a lot of fun. So if you're not familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it is a monthly subscription offered by Stampin' Up. We have a lot of different ways you can subscribe. You can subscribe and have it delivered every single month to your door. The kit comes with everything you need inside to create the projects that are included. It is a surprise every single month, but sometimes Stampin' Up! Does give us, or Paper Pumpkin gives us little sneak peeks. Someone else is here. Hey Tammy! Stampin' Up! Gives us, or Paper Pumpkin gives us sneak peeks sometimes so that you can kind of have some clues as to what may be in the kit, but you never really know. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into the kit. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and we can get started and we'll get stamping. So let me just flip you around. All right. And if you are interested in subscribing, there we go. I do have my subscription link above this video if you're here with me live. And if you're watching the replay on YouTube, because I will be posting this later on YouTube, if you're watching the replay, the subscription link is below the video in the description notes. All right, so I've got my kit here. So I'm gonna open it up. I have not even peeked at this kit. So let me see if I can even get my scissors in here. Okay, all right. Oh yeah, so next month, I'm so excited. Our September kit is going to be a Halloween themed kit. So I'm super pumped about that. I'm actually ordering 2 for next month because I know I'm gonna really like it. So if you're interested in subscribing for the September kit, do that by September the 10th to receive this Halloween themed kit. So you don't want to miss out on that. I know it's going to be really cute. Okay, so in the kit, there's always an exclusive stamp set. So here is our stamp set for this month. So let's see, it says, let me see if I can find something. There we go. So it says, the loss is immeasurable, but so is the love left behind. This one says, thinking of you. This one says, thank you. This one says, congratulations. And this one says, you make me so happy. And then you've got a couple of little flower images, so that's cute. And then the Stampin' Spot this month is Blackberry Bliss. And I'm actually going to use my full-size Blackberry Bliss. I like to save the Stampin' Spots. So let's see. Oh, hey, Jean. I thought it was Tammy. Hey, Jean. Okay. All right, so here's the kit. Look how cute. So we've got some pre-printed card bases, so that's fun. Let's go ahead and get in here. Ah! Let's see what else we've got in here. This looks cute. So you always have your direction sheet, and I like to save these pieces of cardboard. They're really nice and sturdy, perfect for packaging things to ship. Okay, so this is the kit, Blissful Blooms. So we're gonna be making, looks like, is it 8 cards? I think it's 8 cards. These look cute. Okay, so let's see, we've got dimensionals, some foil lined envelopes. Oh, and they have a little splatter look inside. That's cool. So we've got all of those. Okay. And then here are those pre-printed card bases. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, we're making 10. These are some glue dots. So we're making 10. That's so pretty. I love it. And then you've got some little tags here that we're going to be stamping on. Here are the other card bases. These are so pretty. So there's 5 of these as well. Okay. And then you've got some, oh, looks like one already popped out. Some green vellum leaves. And then, let's see. Okay, and then just some regular vellum leaves. Okay. And then you've also got some twine. I want to see what these colors are. The coordinating colors. Sorry, I have kind of a little rickety setup. Hey, Carrie. Okay, so the colors that coordinate are, where are you? Blackberry Bliss, Flirty Flamingo, Lemon Lime Twist, and Old Olive. All right, so let's go ahead and let's make one of each of these. So I'm going to use my directions. Now, you don't have to, when you're creating these kits, you don't have to follow the directions. You can always change them up, but I am going to use my directions here, and I want to make one of each. So just going to bring in my little tags here. All right, so let's see. I'm going to do I actually do need a sympathy card right now, so I'm going to go ahead and use this sentiment right here. I know it is so pretty. I love this kit. And then I think I want to do a congratulations. So I'm going to get both of those out. And then let me get my block. Okay, pick that up, and then let's get another block here. I'll use this one. Nope, I'll use this one. Okay, and we'll just pick that up. These blocks are so dirty. I need to clean them. Okay, so when I'm first using a photopolymer stamp set that I haven't used before, I like to clean the stamp first. I just feel like it helps me stamp better that first time, so I'm just gonna clean this. I'm gonna clean both of these. Okay. Alrighty. Now, going to bring in my Blackberry Bliss and stamp these sentiments. So if I was going to make this entire kit right now, I would go ahead and just stamp everything, but I'm just going to make one of each, so I'm not going to stamp it all. Okay, so I'm going to stamp on one of these. I like this sentiment though. This is good. Good for sympathy cards. Okay, and then I'll do a congratulations. All right. Get that in the center. Perfect. Okay, so that is all of the stamping. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put this away. Pop, let me move these out of the way. And let's just pop these two out. Okay. Whoopsies. All right, so move this out of the way. So then let's see what the directions tell us to do. So next, okay, so now you want to add some flowers, some of those vellum flowers behind your sentiments. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this over, and I'm not gonna use those little glue dots. They're a little too complicated for me. So let's see, let me get some leaves going. Thought I had one that already popped out. I don't know where it went. And I'm just gonna put these on really however I want to. Just put one here. Put one of these little clear ones. Then let me do another one of these. Actually, I think I'm going to do this one. Pop that there, and then another clear one. Let's do this one. Okay, so I've got some vellum behind that sentiment, and then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Add some on here, so let's see. Pop this one out. Let's see. Okay. Grab a green one. Then we'll do, oh, here it is. Another green one. And then another clear one. Let's see. All right, so now I'm gonna add some twine also behind the sentiments. So just wanna take this. Let's see, just snip off some. Just wrap it around my fingers. And I'm just gonna lay it behind here in some of that leftover adhesive from the vellum. See, just like that. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more adhesive here. Now in the directions it tells you how much to use. I'm not really following that. Let's see. Come on. Okay, and then just stick that down. I do not like how that looks. Let me do that again. I need a little bit more. There we go. There's really no right or wrong way to do this, but there we go, that looks better. And then I'm just gonna trim off right there and right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the dimensionals that come in the kit and just add some dimensionals to the back of these little sentiments. Put another one over here. Pop one there. Pop one there. Okay. Actually, I think I want one more over here. Okay. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to bring in my card bases because I've done everything I need to do with my sentiments. And let me find my bone folder. Okay, give these a crease. These cards are pretty quick and easy. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to use the congratulations. So that's going to go on, I'm going to have it go this way. Yeah, I'm going to put it right about there. That's a little bit different than how they have it on the front, but of the directions, but that's okay. Okay. So we'll just put it right over here. Right about there. Yep, that looks good. Isn't that cute? That's cute, right? Let's see, where's the envelope? Okay, so there's our first one. I really like that. And then let's do this one. And we'll just put this in that little open space they already have here. Okay, let's straighten this out. Yep, right there. Okay. And let me get my envelope. Okay, so here's the envelope for that one. Look at that. So quick and easy. Hi, Jessica. Isn't that so pretty? I love both of these. So you can make the projects in the kit exactly like the directions tell you, or you can switch them up. You can change them up and make something completely different. I really love these. I think these are really pretty. And I love these foil lined envelopes. So quick and easy. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay, so I'm gonna flip back around, you guys. There we go. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and remember, if you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin with me, I do have my subscription link just above this video, so you can click there to subscribe with me. So thanks so much for joining me, you guys. I hope that you really enjoyed this. So I'm going to try to do this every single month, unbox the kit with you. So be ready to do this with me every month, and bring your kit. If you have your kit, bring it with me, bring it with you, and we can stamp together. Hi, Amanda. All right, so thanks, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.